Hello.
So, we've got music, but we have no pit. So when the button is pressed and is active, I will shout pit, then it will go down.
This corner?
In the middle. Yeah, rather.
Cool.
Corner. Do it. Don't give him your rear. More, Sam, more. That's what we're here for.
Yes! It's self-right!
It always did. This is fine. Yeah, hit wouldn't be a bad idea, mate. Oh, if Shane had been faster there. The hammer has slow. That's fine. Just reversing things. Woo! We're halfway there. Living on a prayer. Try and get him to hit the hammer back over for us, then we'll have a self-rightness. That'll do, now we can hopefully self-right again. No, you've just lost a belt. You should still have drive. Just stay alive, mate. Might even get it on aggression, you never know. I mean, it doesn't look great. We're meant to win these pushing matches. Just look as mobile as you can. I can, we built it to do it. Probably the line, let's be honest. Probably come off at the servo side. Should have about 30 seconds left. That's fine. Or the horn might have stripped. Why are we debugging this now, Sam?
Because there's nothing else to do. I can't. It's gone. It's so annoying.
No, we're choosing not to. Tell the judges that.
Yeah, there's no damage to our
tactical.
robot, it's fine.